Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the LG's 34BP65C UltraWide monitor. And friend, this monitor has a 34-inch 3440 x 1440 21 Jam 9 ultra-wide VA screen with a mild 1800R curve and refresh rate of 160Hz. And friend, adaptive sync technology is supported, including AMD FreeSync Premium with a VRR range of 48 to 160Hz and LFC. And friend, this resolution is provided by LG 34BP65C, promoted for both productivity and enjoyment. And friend, the top and side bezel include the famous dual stage design, which features a thin panel border level with a rest of the screen and thin hard plastic outer section. And friend, the monitor has a matte anti-glare screen surface, static contrast ratio of 3000 gem 178 degree by 178 degree viewing angles, and 10-bit 8-bit plus FRC color compatibility. And friend, a flicker-free WLED backlight with 99% sRGB color gamut and a typical maximum brightness of 300 mm square gives a 99% sRGB color spectrum. And friend, a reader mode with a reduced blue light is incorporated to facilitate a more restful viewing experience. And friend, the display offers minimal HDR compatibility, capable of reproducing 10-bit color material in response to HDR10 content. And it does not have a particularly high brightness or a wide color gamut by HDR standards. And friend, a 5 millisecond gray to gray reaction time is defined, whereas a 1 millisecond MPRT response time is integrated with the integrated MBR strobe backlight mode is used. And friend, dynamic action sync and integrated reduced input latency technology is featured. And friend, the stand adjusts in height and tilt and attached centrally by a quick release mechanism. And friend, it detaches effortlessly to allow for alternate 100 into 100 mm VESA installation. And friend, the connectors are recessed to the right of the attachment point and feature a DP 1.4 port, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, and 3.5 mm headphone jack and DC power input. And friend, there are two 7-watt MaxxAudio speakers incorporated, which provides potentially pretty deep and powerful sounds. And friend, the monitor price at $520. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.